Welcome everyone! Thank you so much for purchasing DocuProfits, and we're confident that you'll start earning money in no time, and this video will help you get started how to earn with DocuProfits. Firstly, you're going to need a freelancing account, and I'm going to show you how to sign up for free. There are tons of freelancing platforms, so if you already have an account with one of these, you can go ahead and skip this step. For today's video, I'm going to feature Upwork. So you go to upwork.com and then you click sign up. If you don't have an account yet, then you have to go through this process. But if you already have an account, then you can skip this part. So you can use your Gmail account, your Apple account, or your work email address. So this time I'm going to use my Gmail account. Choose your country. And then I want to work as a freelancer. Click yes, yes, and then create my account. Click create your profile. And you can choose whether you want to upload your resume from your LinkedIn account, your computer, or you fill it out manually. Quickly submit or fill out your resume to get your profile up and running. By then, you can get those documents that you need to earn $29 over and over again. Once you're done, you're closer to getting those documents. Apply in any of these posted gigs and a document will be given to you. Here's a sample conversation, and here's the document. This one is worth $190. Simply open the document and let DocuProfits do the work for you. After downloading, upload the file on your freelancing platform and get paid. That's all for our training on getting started. Now go ahead, profit easily with DocuProfits.